This is a wireless intelligent inflatable pump carefully designed to inflate tires that is just not quick but sturdy, safe, robust, durable, ultra portable and convenient as it fit easily into a small package that you can carry with you when you ride. Well, there are several excellent reasons why it makes good sense to have a tire inflator in your car or in your backpack at all times. Imagine being stranded in the middle of night in case you get a flat tire. Well, everyone knows it's not safe for you or your family. A tire inflator will help you to inflate your tire instantly and get you to the nearest garage. Also, you don't need to stand in a queue at a petrol pump to top up the tire pressure. In short, it's a battery-powered air compressor from Banggood that is capable of filling your bike tires, car tire, bicycle tires, soccer ball or any ball for that matter. Basically anything inflatable up to 150 psi. Also the box says, but that's why I'm here, right? I'm gonna show you guys how this thing works. But before that, let's start with the unboxing. Hey guys, welcome back to the Indian Bias channel. I'm Amit here and here's the box. Pretty much as expected, everything on it is in Chinese, but the icons are pretty self-explanatory. We see different icons like cars, bike, motorbikes and the basketball. On the front we have a picture of the pump which looks like a cylindrical power bank. Inside the box we have a small bendable hose and an air pump that is quite a handful. Let me quickly take that out and connect it to the hose. So this is how the air pump looks like. Now moving on further, we also have a carry case pouch inside the box which is of good quality and comes really handy while storing it in the backpack or the luggage. And other than this, we also have a micro USB charging cable to charge the device for an uninterrupted functioning. Then there is a small plastic bag with 4 extra pins used for inflating other inflatable objects other than the tires like the ball, toys, air mattress by connecting to the existing nozzle on the hose. And finally we have a user manual in Mandarin language, but thankfully it has English also, and I highly recommend to go through this before operating this device. Let's have a look at the pump now. It's made up of tough polycarbonate and ABS plastic material which feels really solid to touch. The hose is on the top. We got the screen here with multiple information like the pressure, unit and the battery level. Below that we have a couple of buttons. With the plus and the minus button you can basically adjust the pressure anywhere between 4.3 and 72.5 psi. With the unit button you can switch between different pressure units like psi, bar and kg force per centimeter square. The power button is what does the action, so you press it and it immediately starts pumping air. Other than that, there is a battery indicator LED on the bottom side along with the micro USB charging port. It weighs just around 270 grams, which is pretty decent weight. The size and the design is what has fascinated me, to be honest. I mean, look at it, it's so small, portable and stylish too. Now talking about the features, it also have a workable LED light of 80 lumens and can give up to 7 hours of durable emergency lighting, which would prove very handy during in dark or low light conditions. It can operate even under harsh climate conditions. Simply fix the valve to your tires and set the pressure and switch it on. It is super quick and can inflate a mid-sized tire from 0 to 30 psi in just about 2 minutes. It has got built-in rechargeable 2000 mAh lithium battery that gets fully charged in about 2 hours. There is no periodic maintenance required and the design is very much portable and lightweight. Extra nozzles have been provided for inflating toys, balls, cycles and water sports equipments or any inflatable object for that matter. Also, if the inflator is connected to the bike tire without switching it on, it will show the air pressure of the tire. Talking about the display, it has got FST and anti-glare backlit display which is clearly visible outside in the sun. Now I'm gonna start testing it with my bike tires. The recommended PSI for the rear tire of Royal Enfield Classic 350 is 32 PSI with pillion rider. So I'm going to set it at that and let it go. And one neat thing is that it automatically stops 1 PSI more than the set value because on removing the valve from the tire some air is lost. So to compensate this loss, the inflator puts 1 PSI extra air. So it is recommended to release the valve as quickly as possible. Surprisingly, the pump didn't heat up like at all. I'm pretty sure the battery will be capable of inflating 10 to 15 tires on a full charge. By the way, if you have the right adapter, you can use it to inflate anything like swimming tube, balloons, etc. Definitely a relief for your lungs. Alright guys, final verdict. And now this is one of the gadget I personally like, and I'm definitely gonna use it for myself. Strong and steady build, innovative design, especially the small but quite powerful motor. And yes, it is not very fast as advertised, but I'm glad at least it completes the job and doesn't heat up or shut down in between like some other cheap brands out there. Definitely an addition to your backpack or car kit. I will leave a link in the description box below in case you want to check it out. That's it for now guys. If you enjoyed this video, do hit the like button below, and while you are there, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more gadget review, DIYs and life hacks. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Links are given in the description box below. Click on the thumbnails to watch my other videos or check out my YouTube channel for more. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.